Welcome to the best picks. The best ZV1 Accessories is probably one of the most versatile cameras on the market for content creators, but to truly unlock its potential, you'll need the right accessories. In this video, we're diving deep into the must-have gear that will elevate your video quality, improve your audio, and make your shooting experience a whole lot smoother. From microphones to grips, we'll cover everything you need to know to take your ZV1 content to the next level. Number 5. ULANZI VL49 LED Video Light. Introducing the ULANZI VL49, now with an upgraded soft light board. This makes the light even softer and less harsh, perfect for vlogging and creating professional-looking videos. The light is designed to be easy on the eyes. This light features a built-in 2000 mAh lithium battery. It charges in just 2 hours and provides up to 120 minutes of use at maximum brightness, or up to 300 minutes at minimum brightness. This ensures you have plenty of time to capture your content. The VL49 offers a 5500K color temperature, which mimics natural light. This is ideal for product photography and video shooting, allowing the true colors of your subject to shine through. It helps to create a more natural and appealing look. Equipped with 49 LED beads and a CRI of up to 95+, this light ensures accurate color representation. This reduces the need for extensive post-editing, saving you time and effort. The high CRI ensures your videos look their best. The VL49 includes 3 cold shoe mounts for versatile use. You can connect multiple light panels together to increase brightness and achieve better lighting effects. This allows you to customize your setup to meet your specific needs. What we like. This ULANZI VL49 LED light provides soft, even lighting, perfect for vlogging. It boasts a long battery life, ensuring you won't run out of power mid-shoot. If you're looking to enhance your video quality with a portable and versatile lighting solution, this is a great choice. It's ideal for anyone who wants to improve their video's look. What people say. The SmallRig cage is a perfect fit for the ZV1 and provides multiple mounting points. The ULANZI adapter is well built and allows for the use of external microphones and lights. The screen protector is easy to install and provides excellent protection for the camera's display. Number 4. Newmowa NP-BX1 Battery 3-Pack and Charger. Introducing the Newmowa NP-BX1 Replacement Battery Pack. This set includes 3 batteries and a convenient 3-channel USB charger. It's the perfect backup solution to keep you shooting longer. Each battery provides 3.6V and 1240 mAh of power. This ensures you have plenty of power for your Sony camera. They are designed to match the original battery specifications. Charge the batteries in multiple ways. You can use a wall charger, car charger, laptop, or power bank. This gives you flexibility wherever you are. These batteries are compatible with a wide range of Sony cameras. This includes models in the DSC, RX100 series, ZV1 series, and many more. Check the full list to ensure it works with your camera. The charger features an innovative design. It allows you to charge up to 3 batteries at the same time. LED indicators show the charging status of each battery. The batteries and charger are built with safety in mind. They have multiple circuit protection against overcharging, short circuits, and high temperatures. You can use them with confidence. What we like. This Newmowa battery set triples your camera's runtime with 3 batteries. It offers multiple charging options, including USB and car charging, for convenience. If you are a traveler or someone who shoots for extended periods, this set ensures you're always ready to capture the moment. It is a must-have for those who hate missing a shot due to a dead battery. What people say. Each pack includes 3 high-capacity batteries, which not only match but, in some cases, even surpass the performance of the original Sony NP-BX1 battery. It works seamlessly with various Sony cameras, including the popular DSC, RX100 series and the ZV1. The included 3-channel USB charger is a game-changer in itself. It allows you to charge all 3 batteries simultaneously, saving you valuable time. Number 3. Vlogger Accessory Kit, Small, 4 Camera. This kit includes everything you need for vlogging. It comes with a wireless grip and a 64GB SD card, making it perfect for content creators. The wireless Bluetooth feature allows you to control your camera without any cables. This gives you more freedom and flexibility while filming. Quickly transform the handheld grip into a stable tripod. It's easy to set up and provides a steady base for your shots. Easily switch from a normal shooting position to a selfie position. This makes it simple to capture yourself or your surroundings. The tilt function allows for easy angle adjustment. This helps you get the perfect shot every time, no matter the situation. What we like. This vlogger accessory kit offers cable-free control with its wireless Bluetooth grip. It quickly converts from a handheld grip to a stable tripod. If you like the convenience of a compact, all-in-one solution for vlogging, this kit is perfect. It's great for anyone who wants to streamline their setup. What people say. This camera grip is beyond useful. A must for any vlogger that moves while filming. The remote features are so useful. Works super well for my ZV1 M2. Recording, photo button, and zoom in and out work. Connects to camera through Bluetooth. Just what I needed to easily carry, record and take pictures with my camera. Was sturdy and had a nice natural grip. Buttons and adjustable positions were easy to use. Also lightweight and small enough to fit in my sweater pocket when I wasn't using it. Number 2. SmallRig 3526 Cold Shoe Adapter for Sony ZV series. This adapter is designed specifically for your Sony ZV series camera. It provides a simple solution for vloggers, ensuring clear audio recording and the ability to add extra accessories. The included windshield uses a special faux fur material and a thickened design. This helps to reduce wind noise when you are shooting outdoors, without affecting the sound quality. With the SmallRig 3526, you can attach both a windshield and a light or microphone. It solves the problem of a single hot shoe and allows you to add more accessories. It's also compatible with your camera's original windshield. The cold shoe adapter is made of high-quality nylon, making it very strong. It also has a scratch-resistant cushion to securely lock onto your camera. This adapter is small and lightweight, weighing only 7 grams. It's easy to carry around, making it perfect for travel. What we like. This SmallRig cold shoe adapter is specifically designed for your Sony ZV1 series camera. It effectively reduces wind noise with its included windshield. If you are looking to improve your audio quality while still being able to attach other accessories, this adapter is a great choice. It is perfect for outdoor shooting. What people say. Its sturdy build quality ensures that my accessories stay securely attached, even in challenging shooting conditions. The added windshield provides excellent protection against wind noise, allowing for crisp audio recordings. It is easy to take on and off but secure enough that there is no way it will fall off on its own. Number 1. Screen protector and lanyard for Sony ZV1 series. This screen protector is designed specifically for your Sony ZV1, ZV1F, and ZV1 II cameras. It comes with everything you need to keep your camera safe and sound. The 9H hardness tempered glass provides excellent scratch and shatter resistance. It will keep your camera screen looking brand new. The high-definition clear coating protects against fingerprints and smudges. It allows for an optimal and natural viewing experience. At only 0.3 mm thick, it maintains full touchscreen sensitivity. It's reliable and resilient without affecting how you use your camera. The included wrist strap is lightweight and easy to attach. It keeps your camera safe and easily accessible. What we like. This screen protector offers 9H hardness for scratch resistance and ultimate clarity. It's easy to install and comes with a wrist strap for added security. If you want to protect your camera's screen from scratches and damage, this is the perfect solution. It is a must-have for anyone who wants to keep their camera in pristine condition. What people say. It fit perfectly for the camera, nice quality. It was very thin, but still protected my screens and it was truly transparent. It fit great on my Sony ZV1F and I love that it came with 3. Easy to apply and perfect fit to my Sony ZV1F. It is very durable and doesn't affect my touch screen at all. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.